if you let dry your baby wipe, you got this very 90s, not 90s, actually 70s dye effect. So you can use this in your journal as well, and it smells really nice. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am so happy to meet you, and if you're not new here, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make these. This is an art journal page from WSArtClub. We got a prompt, WSArtClub. If you want to join us, follow the hashtag WSArtClub. WSArtClub has got an amazing YouTube channel. I will link her down below. And the prompt for this fortnight was fairy. So that's my page at 6x6. Before I show you how to make them, I just want to celebrate a few lovely ladies, Linda, Mexi, that actually met on my Facebook group. And they actually met on my Facebook group, and then they went out, they had a crafting day together. They went out for drinks and a coffee, they exchanged a gift, and they told me that they had a wonderful day. And that made me really happy, because this is the proof that technology, YouTube, internet is amazing. How can make people to get to know each other and to meet them in all around the world, and actually find out that they were from a very nearby city. So, and that made my day. I just want to say thank you to Linda and to Mexi. They always show me the love and support. I'm so glad that you ladies had an amazing time. I wish I could come, but I'm miles away. But I was there in spirit, put it that way. Yeah, and this is the beauty of having YouTube channels and social media, because that's how you get the chance to get to know other people. Right, I could talk forever. Let's crack on and watch the tutorial. So basically, where is the popping in there for now actually? So my page measures 6x6. So as a background, so I'm hoping you can see there, this purple and pink details. I have used this paper doily, and it's a shame because on camera you can't really see the detail, but it's actually amazingly well blended. So you've got your pink and your purple, and I've used I always use my Hobby & Craft ink pad. So that's the fuchsia and that is the purple. I use them both, and it's a shame, but on camera, like on Flash live, you can see all the different pink and purple, but on camera it just looks like a blob of purple. So I have used my fingers sponges, and then I literally tap it, and then I just created this this really nice detail, because I wanted to look like an explosion of pinkness and purpleness. So I have used some images that's for fairies, and actually gonna make a tag as well. I'm not gonna make the tag, in fact, yeah, I do. I'm gonna make it with the crackles. So I have used for this big flowers there, and this one here is a huge, I need to move that, so you see all these pages here is a huge kit from TaylorMade Journal, and I'm sure it's called the Spring Flower. I will put the link here in the info box if you guys want to purchase it. It's a massive. I see how thick it is. Some pages are printed twice, but yeah, because I loved it, and I've done a few projects using Lorna kit. So yeah, I will put the link in the info box if you guys want to go and have a look. So I have glued down the fairy, the flower, created the background, put 2 butterflies on each corner, because as I said previously, we always have to use butterflies. And then what I'm using now, which hence why it's a bit glossy and is a bit wet, I wanted to create like a crackle effect. So I'm using the top coat and the base coat. I bought this from Amazon. I've done several tutorials using those vanish. So what you do, you apply a base coat, you leave it dry. It normally take, what time do they recommend? A 2-part system to reproduce a craze pattern. Coverage 8 square meters per litre, 80 square feet per quart. Drying time 15 minutes to an hour depending on temperature and humidity. It's pretty warm in here because I think we had the heating on this morning. So it's literally almost dry, I must admit. So it's very, very glossy. So what you do, you apply that, and then when it completely dry, you apply the top coat and you get this crackling effect, which I will enhance with some I need to check what mica I've got. I'm sure I have both of this mica. I'm probably going to use them both. So anyway, so when I was doing it, I was like, I'm going to use the doily. But what am I going to do? I'm going to use this doily to create a tag. And I want a rectangular tag. So it's going to be quite big. And I'm going to put him. I know fairy don't have sex, but I think he's a little boy and she's a little girl. So, yes. Or do they have sex? Yeah, I'm sure they... Anyway, I don't know. Do they? She's wearing a dress though. It doesn't really matter because, I mean, everybody can wear dresses. He's wearing a tunic. Open to imagination, guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a tag, and I just wanted to show you the doily first before I kill it. But it's really, really interesting. I use doilies as... what do you call it? Missing the word. Not pattern. Oh my god. Bear with me. Stencil. Jeez. As a stencil before, but I never used 2 colours. And yeah, I just wanted to show you that. I'm going to shut up now. Okay guys, the 2 pages are dry. In fact, let me zoom in so you can see. So I've got the tag. Oops, too much now. Got the tag there and the page. I know you can't really see the crackle yet. Oh yeah, you can. Can you see them? Now we just need to enhance them, to highlight them. Now I've got all my micas in here. So I want to do one with a gold mica because I want to show you how different effects you create with different micas. And then on here I have got those ones. Now I said I would mix them, the pink and the purple. Now I have a terrible feeling that it's going to be too dark and you will only see this very dark violet mica everywhere. So to be on a safe side, am I going to use this one? I think this is a bit too light. You probably won't see it much. This is a bit a different red. And mind you, peach red or rose red? Oh, I wish you guys could tell me. Now on camera they look pretty identical, but this one is slightly dark. I'm gonna go for that. So what you simply do, guys, you need a perfectly dry brush, because if it's wet the mica is simply gonna attach to the brush and then it's not gonna do us any favor. So what I normally do, guys, with the tip of the brush, I'm just gonna get some powder into your page, card, or whatever you're making, and then move in and round to make sure you only need like this much. You simply sprinkle. You see what I'm doing? I'm just simply sprinkling it. I'm sure that will be enough. And then what you do, guys, again, now is a bit curved because it was wet. You see, you just in a rotate motion, if that's the word, you simply, I think it's a bit too much mica, but I'm sure I'll be able to put it back in the bag. So what you do, you press it and rotate it. So you basically get the mica to stick into the little cracks. Okay. Yeah, it's way too much mica, but I'm hoping that I'm able to put it back. And you need a tiny little amount. don't worry, because it's going to look like it's very dark, but we're just going to wipe the excess off in just a moment. Yeah, way too much. So you see, I'm literally moving it around and pressing it. Just be careful when you work with mica, because it's such a fine powder. If you're clumsy like myself and you make a little mistake, this mica can be all over your desk and all over yourself as well. So okay, we're almost done. I'm trying to stay, see if I can get that off. Yeah, okay. So you see, I just been a bit clumsy again. So I'm going to reopen. Now I'm hoping, yay, done. Okay. Now just need to get my wipes. So just get a little baby wipe. And what you do, you clean your brush, because I'm just going to use that with the gold mica. Okay, so now it just looks like a dust of pink, but what you do, you just go all over gently, and doing that, remove the excess mica. Do you know, if you buy this mica, you can make your own eyeshadow as well, because designer that very expensive makeups is actually made with talc and mica, and then sometimes they put fragrances and titanium dioxide to make them stain together. Okay. Okay guys, that is the page. Can you see how the mica enhanced all the cracks? Now what you would do, you can apply a coat of glossy varnish or even a Mod Podge to make sure that we sealed the mica so it doesn't go anywhere. I love how, as you can see, I didn't put the varnish on the fairy face too much, because I was concerned that it would cover it too much, but I love how this butterfly turned out. Look at the detail. So that's the page, and what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to do it really quickly and I'm going to speed it up so I don't bore you. Do the same on the tag with the gold mica so you can see how it changes, but I'm going to high speed in it. Right, so that's the tag. You see the gold crackle. I love it. And that is the page with the pink. Which one do you like? I must admit, guys, I do like the gold one, which I've used in another different project. I do like how the gold matches the other colors on the background, so I think it works really nice. But I do have to say that the pink goes very well together with the purple and the violet on the background, but the gold stand up more. Okay guys, I hope I gave you some inspiration. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. As usual, guys, it will support the video and the channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next time, stay safe and well.